Dude.
Yeah.
Guess what? Found this hammer, right?
Okay.
So you hit something with this, it just like reverts back to its original state. I can't really explain. I can show it.
What? No shot.
That water bottle. Do you see it?
Yeah. Whoa, shit.
Okay.
Filled in. Oh my god. That's like a new bottle. Does it have the when you open it, the new sound?
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Dude, that's
What
sick.
else?
Ooh, try the
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do you know how much we're gonna help people with this?
I just can't.
Like, this is gonna change the
this
world.
little. You want to hold here? Like what? Are you okay?
No. No.
Did it just? Were you?
Who would make that?